Hey, what's happening? My name is Paul Farmer. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you Sparky AI updates. Yes, there's more updates. I know I've been given a lot of updates, but it seems like every day there's more updates, right? This system is growing very fast. There's a lot of things that are very exciting about it. So stick around. I'm going to share with you the updates. But first, I want to share with you a quick story. So yesterday, I had a guy call me. He called me from one of my videos. He saw one of my videos, and I guess he had some questions about Sparky AI and how it works. And in my videos, I'm pretty thorough about explaining what it is and how it works. But sometimes people want to talk to like a person, right? So he started asking me questions that are already answered in the video and that kind of thing. And I was like, okay, I can sit here and I can explain everything to him, or I can tap into the resources that we have with this system. So one of the resources you're looking at right now is Sparky, right here, Sparky. And you can see he has a phone number. So you can call the phone number and you can get all of your questions answered, and it's not intimidating at all. You're talking to AI. You're talking to Sparky AI, which you'll hear his voice in the video here. So you get all your questions answered just like that. So that's one way. But what I told him, I was like, hey, you've seen my videos. You kind of have an idea of what it is. I know you have some questions. Uh, let's do this. Go ahead and create your free account. It's free. There's no financial risk, and then go and you're going to be introduced to a live one-on-one coaching session. So go ahead and get that live one-on-one coaching session, onboarding session, and you can get all your questions answered by a professional because we have a 24/7. Like sometimes I have to stop and really comprehend this because, I've been marketing online since 2012. I've been without a job since 2013. And it wasn't necessarily because I wanted to be without a job. This is what happened. I got laid off. But I've been making money online since that time. I haven't had to work a job. And I can tell you without any hesitation that this system is the most complete system I've ever seen. I never ever had anything that was following up with me 24/7. Now we had systems that would email. So there was those kind of systems, and you have to go generate your own leads and all that. But I never had a system where you had, obviously AI did not exist. AI is newer, right? And it's advancing so fast. So I never had that. For example, the other thing I never had was a 24/7 call center that even works with free members, like on your behalf. It's very exciting. It's very exciting. And when people really start understanding what we have here, like I really believe they're going to be running, not walking, to get started because there's just nothing like this online. And I don't think there will be anytime soon because of the amount of money that has been put into it, resources that have been put into it, time, energy, vision, all of these things that have been put into it. This is a 10-year journey for the founders of this program. Okay, 10 years. And they're doing it because they want to help the little guy. They want to help the little guy. They're tired of the little guy always getting left behind in network marketing. So they want to help the little guy. And what they've designed here is a system that can produce signups, multiple streams of income at the same time. That's what they put together here. So they provide you with the leads. So when you get a membership, you can start for as little as $20. You can get it for you get leads with that system, with that membership, my bad. You get leads. Those leads are going to be called by Sparky AI. Those leads are going to be followed up by the phone team. So you have a complete system here. You have the leads. You have the follow-up going on. You have the closing going on. You have the onboarding going on. You have everything going on. And then people, just by default, because the income streams are in there in the system, they're going to go and get the income streams. But they've even incentivized the memberships. So you're either paying a certain price for the membership or you're paying less for the membership, but it's like the same, you're paying the same amount to have the income streams. So it makes the most sense to have the income streams, make multiple streams of income, and pay the same price. So you could have one stream or you could have multiple streams. Which do you choose? And most people, smart people, say, I want multiple streams of income. And I can tell you right now, like without this system, like I've been making multiple streams of income, but I can tell you it's not an easy thing. You really have to be disciplined and systematized. And if you are not, then you're basically, going in circles. It's overwhelming. It's frustrating. It's confusing because now you're like, well, I don't know. I got to promote this or do I promote this? And it just gets really crazy. So you really have to be very disciplined in order to do it. And most people just can't do it. So here we have a system where it's designed to grow multiple streams of income without the overwhelm, without the headaches, without the confusion. It's all plugged into the system. Everything goes through the system. So here's one of the updates right here. You can see brand new 12-minute video. We did not have this before. And this goes through in detail what this system is. And you can see right below you have Sparky AI's phone number, so you can call Sparky and get your questions answered. I want to show you, so that's one of the updates. Here's another update. They updated the funnel page. And the funnel page has a new thumbnail. It's the same video, but it's a new thumbnail. You click here and create your free account, okay? So those are the two new pages. I want to come over here as well. I'm going to scroll all the way down right here. And we can see there's a brand new automatic duplication system flyer or whatever you want to call this information document, right? Info doc. I don't know what you call them, but it lays out every little part of the system for you. We even have, like I said, a call center that you can go work in. So maybe for whatever reason you don't have 20 bucks or you're concerned about losing $20 because I know there's a lot of limiting beliefs out there. A lot of people think in lack and allow limiting beliefs to control their lives. It's really sad, but it's the truth. Um, and you can't do that. If you want to be successful, you have to think in abundance. Lack-minded, lack thinking is not going to get you anywhere. When I first started online, first thing I wanted to do, I wanted everything for free. If anything cost me money, I didn't want anything to do with that. And guess where that got me? Nowhere. It got me nowhere. You know how much money I made? Zero. Zero money. So don't fall for that. So here we go. Virtual call center. I'm just going to show you this because I think it's pretty exciting. It's an opportunity for anybody. We have an opportunity for anybody. I don't care what their financial background is. You could have zero money and you could still be a part of this call center and you can earn commissions. Look at this. So when you're onboarding, someone upgrades Plus Pro, you make 10 bucks. Upgrade to Elite, 35 bucks. Let me make this a little big. You probably can't see it. Okay. I mean, this is in the call center. Sign up for Reach Solar, $5. Sign up for Live Good, $5. These are the companies we have in here. So you get signups for any time someone goes and onboards. Uh, you also get the co-op ag purchases, so you can make anywhere from $1,500 to $5,500. Ad pack split with consultant, $5 to $1,650. So it's really exciting, and people are very, very excited to be part of that call center because a lot of them are doing it not because they need the money, but they're doing it because there are people that need the money. Don't get me wrong. There are people, their lives are changing because of this call center. Like this is like a prayer answered for them. So you can come in, you can become a member for as little as $20, as you can see right here, $20. Just go through this page right here. Just go through this and you're going to get that offer for as little as $20 and you can earn commissions on everything you see on this page. Even this, like up to $16,500. So you can start for 20 bucks. You can earn residual income, $5, $12.50, $50. That's residual. You can earn these commissions, 50, 75, 112, 162.50. Then you can earn these one-time commissions as well. And guess what? When someone comes into your team and purchases one of these, this is benefiting you too, because all these people are going in your downline. So this is powerful, powerful, powerful. So what was I going to say? So there's that. I want to show you one other thing. Let's see, come here. This is the full, complete overview right here. And I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but you can see this is very well thought out, very detailed. This is for anybody that just wants to read something, right? Really wants it in writing. And I want to ask you, I want you to ask yourself a question, okay? Now, I can send you this if you like, or you can get a free membership and you can come in and read it yourself. But if a company has this much detail written out, okay, and you can see right here, these are the different places they advertise for the ad packs. So you got Google AdWords, Bing, YouTube, Yahoo, Facebook, X, Facebook. I already said Facebook, Google, Remarket. Is it Remarkety? I don't know what that is. LinkedIn, Pinterest. Plus, there's like video games, apps, things like that, where ads are on those apps. They're advertising there as well as some other places as well. And the leads that are being generated here are the ones that are being used for the advertising packages. Okay. So this actually walks you through every little step, everything, the memberships, what each one has, uh, membership levels and rules, the advertising co-op packages in detail, everything you need to know about it, the assurance plan, the 90-day assurance plan, and the solar power lead machine. I mean, everything you need to know is listed right here, even the lead life cycle. So you can learn exactly how the system works, like where the leads come from, and what happens when a lead comes through the funnel, how they're followed up with. Like every little detail is here. Affiliate commissions breakdown, bonus pool breakdown. I mean, everything is here in detail in writing. So that's the other update I wanted to share. One other update is they're adding 3 more streams of income. So right now we have 3 different programs. They're going to add 3 more coming, I believe, next week. And that might sound like a lot, and that might be like kind of like, I don't know about that. But here's the thing, we're advertising the system. The system does the work. The people come in and join the programs because the system, they are not joining because they like the network marketing company. They're joining because they want to make multiple streams of income and they see the power of a system like this, like the automatic duplication system. That's why they're joining. So that's about all I wanted to cover today. I do want to talk just a little bit about, some of the testimonials. There was a lady last night on there, and I think she's like one of the leaders in the call center. I'm not in the call center personally. I've considered doing it, but I'm not there yet. I think it's an amazing opportunity. I talk to people all the time that don't have any money. I have no money. I can't do anything. Okay, well, here you go. Let's see how serious you are. Because I got a solution for you. You can go apply to be in the call center. Now, a person that's hungry and wants to make things happen, they're going to jump at that. A person that's full of excuses, lives in lack, makes and a victim mentality, they're going to find a reason why they can't. Oh, I don't have time. They're going to find a reason. But you have every opportunity here with this system, like nothing else I've ever seen before, to earn significant income, to change your life. You have every opportunity. There's no reason to be afraid of this. $20 gets you started in the system. You don't want to do that? Apply to the call center. How do you apply to the call center? Become a free member and we'll contact me and I'll tell you where to go apply to the call center. I have my own chat group on Facebook for my team, for our team, and I do what I can to help in that chat room. Okay, so but what I wanted to talk about real quick is just the call center, just a little bit. Okay, one of the ladies, she came on, and I believe she's running the call center. She said she's a former teacher, and she was talking about what a blessing this call center was or is, and she's so excited to be a part of it. Like she was literally praying to be able to work in a call center because she wanted to work from home. And as a former teacher, I know what it's like to be a teacher. I know the stress that teachers face, right? From the administration, from the parents, the disrespect from the kids. I mean, they just have so much piled up against them. It can be very overwhelming, stressful. And, when I was working as a teacher, I was surrounded by many teachers that were very unhappy. They were very unhappy. They felt trapped. They didn't want to be there. So I understand where she's coming from. Like, shit, I just want to work at home. I just want to work in the comfort of a call center from home. And I guess she tried to do all these different things and she needed to have all these different requirements. But here, you don't. So you have the opportunity to earn commissions. And then on top of that, they pay you commissions. On top of that, they give you Sparky bucks. So now you can, start coming into the system yourself. You can purchase the advertising, and now you can be earning from there too. So even if you leave the call center, you have a system working for you where you can earn multiple streams of income. Like, how cool is that? So anyway, the call center is changing lives. There's people in there that are homeless, that are working the call center. They got the opportunity, they seize the opportunity. There's leaders in there. There's people that have built large teams in other programs, and they're in the call center helping our members because they have servant leader heart, right? They want to help. They want to see a change because this industry's been broken for a long time. I've been talking about that forever. And these guys want that to change. They want to make a difference, and they're putting their money, they're putting their mouth. They're not just sitting around complaining. They're taking action. They're making things happen. And they put together an amazing system for you, for me, for all of us, where we can go and succeed, finally succeed. So I encourage you, if you want to make more money, if you're enthusiastic, if you're determined, if you're ready to, you know, make the rest of this year or the fourth month of the year already the best year ever, then partner with me. Click on the link, click and create your free account, go in, get your live onboarding, get set up for success, and let's run. Let's make this happen. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.